Alright, YouTube, here we go. Busting into 15 boxes of limited football again. Stuff was really good to us last time. Pulled the logo shield, a cut auto, 2 dual autos, like 5 or 6 of the true rookie patch auto, so we're trying it again. Hopefully it will be just as nice, if not better, than the last one. Who knows? This is pack, or box number 1. Good luck. Alright, Marshawn Lynch for the Bills. Kerry Collins, Titans. Jim Brown, legend for the Browns. George Blanda. We got him like 5 times last time and I just mispronounced his name. For the Raiders. Then for the Texans, James Casey, Phenom Auto. And we got a jumbo dual jersey of Ray Lewis for the Ravens, who are out of the break. That is numbered 16 of 50, so that'll be randomed off to teams without hits. And then we got a real nice letter patch autograph of Darius Hayward-Bay, 21 out of 25 for the Raiders. So pretty good start, nice couple cards. I'm gonna stop the video real quick. Looks like my memory's full almost. Damn it. Alright, here we go, box number 2. I'll make sure and pull one of these out so we got a checklist in case we hit a redimp. Alright, Leon Washington for the Jets, Julius Jones, Seahawks, Gartrell Johnson, Phenom for the Chargers. That is a random. No, it's not. They were traded. Sorry. Dan Marino, legend for the Dolphins. And the first hit is Dominique Edison, Titans, Phenom autograph. Then, for the Chiefs, jumbo jersey of Tyson Jackson. The next card is sick. Number 10 out of 50. Funny when you get a couple nice cards for a team that was trying to trade their team away. For the Texans, autograph jersey numbered 36 of 50 of Steve Slayton. Patrick O'Neal, Joel Myers, Stu Lance, Patrick O'Neal down on the sideline, and Kobe off and running again. We're just doing what Kobe does, leading scorer in the NBA, and he's got 16 in the game so far. 7 out of 11. Steve Slayton for the Texans. All right, box 3. Most of his shots, there have been a couple that have been outside that. The final 5 minutes of the first half. Stoudemire also returning to Phoenix Suns, Channing Pride. Put him in the starting 5. On the floor. Finally, continues 5 and alright, we got Joe Flacco for the Ravens. That's a random. Lendell White, Titans. Brian Hartline, Phenom rookie card for the Dolphins. Jerry Rice for the Niners. And for the Rams, got a Brooks Foster Phenom autograph that will be going to teams without hits because the Rams were traded out for the Bills. And we got a quad jersey, all Colts. Peyton Manning, Reggie Wayne, Robert Mathis, and Dwight Freeney, numbered 13 of 100 Pro Bowl jerseys. Quad jersey for the Colts. And then on the back we got one more random, another Phenom autograph. This is James Laurinaitis for the Rams, number 299.
basket of the game for Richardson. On his fourth try, high percentage, one of the little reverse.
Box 4. Oh, only one thin card, or only one thick card in here. Well, the last one only had one thick one, but we got 2 rookie autos last time. Peyton Manning for the Colts, Lamont Jordan for the Broncos, Tequan Underwood for the Jags, that's a random phenom, and a Bob Lilly for the Cowboys. Then also Jaguars, random, Nathan Brown, rookie phenom auto. The Jags were traded out. For the Dolphins, we got a dual jumbo jersey of Ricky Williams, numbered 36 of 50.
The Lakers already 51 on the board, 3:04 to play in that game. It's Hayes at 51, and only 2 have come at the free throw line. 2 of 5 to strike, 2 of the misses coming from Ron.
And last card is a gold moniker autograph legend of Jethro Pugh for the Cowboys, numbered 4 out of 50. Legends gold moniker autograph, Jethro Pugh. I don't know, I think that's how you say his last name, unless it's Pug, P-U-G-H. Sorry. So, Legends auto for the Cowboys. This is box 5. 5 boxes into the last one. We'd already hit a logo shield and a cut auto. So, let me step it up here.
Looking fellas would like to try some of my new sweet fire chicken from Panda Express with its delicious sweet and fiery sauce. But it wasn't made for gentle giants.
Adrian Peterson base for the Vikings. Kurt Warner Cardinals. David Gerard for the Jags. Roger Staubach for the Cowboys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now that's a fucking big card. Wow. Boba Pat, dual autograph for the Jets. 6 of 50. There's 50 of them. Joe Namath and Mark Sanchez.
Plus no monthly payments until February 2010 on the Mazda 3, the Mazda CX-7 crossover, Mazda 6, and the 7-passenger Mazda CX-9. Mazda's year-end drive-off events. Hurry in for your chance to get 0.0% APR finance, plus no monthly payments until February 2010.
Fucking sick. Big time card. Nice. Then again for the Chiefs, another dual jumbo jersey of Tyson Jackson. This one is number 39 of 50. Oh, that's Sanchez's jersey number. Yeah, number 6 of 50 on the dual auto. 6 of 50. Sanchez's jersey number. And Willis McGahee jersey for the Ravens, numbered 1 of 50. That'll be a random. Fire hand. Fucking fire hand. Alright, there you go. First 5 boxes down. Peace.